I will thank the center, the king, for this opportunity. I will attend the course. So really, I'm glad to be here. This is the first time for me to attend the training of this course. So I recommend also other my colleagues in the company when I go back. So because really I'm happy. So what I want to say here is organized, and then what I saw is I have the branches in the Europe and London, Dubai, Moscow, and then they have the plan to open the branches in the East Africa, especially Nairobi, Johannesburg, and Accra, Malaysia. So I suggest for him also if we were able to come to South Sudan also because to be better for us, and then also like they can prepare the in-house training. Because the other company, like I mentioned to him before, some companies already working in South Sudan. So what I realized here, you have experience in the financial about more than 20 years. So I think the world now is come to a small city because now what I learned here is really something different when I start to work with Facebook. So I would say thank you for management for this center. God bless you, and then we'll meet again. Thank you.